So we have seen different components of crew, process, agent, task, tool, memory system. So these are different components inside a crew. And now let me show the tools that CrewAI offers, right? So let's go to the official documentation page of CrewAI tools. So this is the official CrewAI tools documentation. And if you see here, you can learn more about tools, right? We have what is a tool, what are the key characteristics of tool, and using CrewAI tools. So here you can see the detailed explanation of each tool. So these are different tools provided by CrewAI. Apify Actors tool, a tool that integrates Apify Actors with your workflows for web scraping and automation tasks, right? So you can use Apify and you can do the web scraping and you can also automate tasks. And the next one is browser-based load tool, a tool for interacting with and extracting data from web browsers. And code docs search tool. This is a RAG tool and code interpreter tool, right? CVS search tool, DALI tool, file read, file crawl. So you can see we have several RAG tools available. JSON search tool, PDF search tool, vision tool, RAG tool, YouTube channel search tool, a RAG tool for searching within YouTube channels, useful for video content analysis. YouTube video search tool, a RAG tool aimed at searching within YouTube videos, ideal for video data extraction. So you can see these are the different tools provided by CrewAI, right? And if you want to create your own tools, you can do that as well by subclassing with base tool, and we will see the implementation. Then you will understand much better. And conclusion, right? So this is the official CrewAI tools documentation. And you know CrewAI is built on top of LangChain, right? So any tool that's provided by LangChain, you can use it in CrewAI too. For example, let me take you to the official LangChain tools documentation. So if you see here, this is from LangChain, right? And you can go through all the different tools that are provided by LangChain, right? For example, Bing search, and this is a paid tool. Brave search, this is a free tool. And DuckDuckGo search, this is also free, right? And Google search is paid. Google Serper is free. By using Serper API, you can do 100 free searches per month, and it will give you the answer as the response, right? So these are the different tools that are provided by LangChain. And you can see the tool or toolkits for code interpreter, right? The following table shows tools that can be used as code interpreters. And these are some of the productivity tools and web browsing tools. And these are used to automate tasks in databases and finance. And these are all the different tools. For example, if you see Apify Actors are cloud programs designed for a wide range of web scraping, right? So let's go here. So you can go to Apify Actors. So you can see here, you can learn how to develop, run, and share serverless cloud programs. Create your own web scraping and automation tools and publish them on the Apify platform, right? So if you go to the store, you can see. So these are the different actors: website content crawler, Google Maps scraper, Instagram scraper. Scrape and download Instagram posts, profiles, places, hashtags, photos, and comments, right? So these are the different tools that are provided by Apify, right? So there are so many tools that are provided by LangChain. Bing search, Brave search, ChatGPT plugins, and so on. So you have so many tools available inside this LangChain tools documentation. So you can go through at your convenience. So here every single tool has been explained with examples. So depending on your requirement, you can go through these tools to incorporate them when building generative AI applications, right? And we have so many tools, so you just get the key and make use of them depending on your requirement, right? So we went through different components of Crew, that is process, agent, task, tool, and memory system, right? And next thing is, let's see how we can build generative AI multi-agentic applications by using these different CrewAI components. All right. Thank you.